Forecast. Joseph is here to give you all your forecast needs, and it's windy but sunny.
It is, yes. And this week we have more sunshine,
Yes.
less wind, and probably not much rain.
Oh, I like that forecast.
Yeah, it's
We
kind
can
of
do
like a
that.
spring-like forecast
Yeah.
again this week. We were kind of treated with some nice weather last week.
Yeah, we're getting spoiled, and I love it.
Yes, we sure are. We still have some spotty showers in the forecast, though, this evening. Still pretty breezy outside, although not nearly as strong as what we were experiencing earlier today. We kind of had to find a spot and hold your own and get your feet there planted, or else you were going to get blown around just a little bit. Well, right now, about 6:15 here, we still have some isolated showers, although not very wet heading into the evening hours. And as far as our rain totals today, they weren't very impressive at all. We were about 1/10 of an inch. So yeah, there was some locations that might have had a little bit more. I know Salem was pretty close to 2/10 of an inch, but overall it was just very spotty and, just not a lot of moisture for us here in the valley. We had that rain shadow that I was discussing yesterday, and it sure set up nicely for today. All right, 6:15 down to the south towards Salem, Woodburn, McMinnville. Yeah, still some very light rain, so you could count on maybe a quick splash here and there, but most of the moisture that is going to cause some rain that we can actually talk about is going to be to the north of us as we head into the evening hours. Still some snowfall there for the Olympic Peninsula through the Cascades, and for us, again, very little as far as the moisture goes here over the next couple of hours. You can see Portland, clouds kind of taking over. This is kind of the end of the day here. Stoller, a little cloudy there. That goes for Lincoln City as well, and Mount Hood Meadows there, where we've had some snowfall to celebrate, you could say. And if you're up on the mountain today, maybe a little breezy, but still not a bad day to get up there. Wind advisory is still in place off to the east, where it's been cranking just about all day. That's until 1 a.m. there, so we still have some time. And I expect the strongest of the wind to be through this area and corridor. There was a high wind warning down towards Baker City. That is now alleviated, and we will not be dealing with that, although again, still not out of the woods for you folks there to see some strong wind. All right, here's Highway 26 at Mount Hood. Yeah, there's snow on the ground. Timberline, got the view up there. A beautiful view. Look at the snowfall on the parking area by the lodge. Still winter weather advisory. That's in place till 10 p.m. That's likely going to expire, and we'll keep it that way. Not expecting a lot of snowfall tonight, although a couple more inches is possible. Here's over the last 24 hours, and we'll get some updated totals to that likely tonight at 10 p.m. and again at 11. Good weekend, though, to be up there, and we'll have even better weather for the week if you want to see some sunshine and blue sky up on the mountain. Okay, here's 6 p.m. Notice that still trying to keep a little bit of rain in there, but we know it's a little more fragmented than what the weather model is producing. And by the time we get to early tomorrow morning, most of this is going to be all dried up. And notice that the wind, it's that light green color. It's going to be very gentle there, so maybe 10, 15 miles per hour coming out of the north and northwest. The wind does shift just a bit. Come Tuesday morning, we do have this weak disturbance. It's going to try to push a shower or two into the Willamette Valley. That goes for Wednesday morning as well. These are going to be very brief, very quick, and likely not going to produce much rain. If any, likely we'll just see some cloud coverage with this. But by the time we get to Thursday and Friday, high pressure really starts to take over and budges everything out of the way, and then we'll have sunshine. It'll be really nice as we head into about Thursday and Friday. You'll see it on the 7-day here in just 1 second. Day planner, temperatures in the mid-40s tomorrow, so it is going to be slightly cooler. But we could celebrate Thursday and Friday. Look at that. Near 60 degrees, if not 60 degrees. Wonderful weather. Temperatures overnight down to about the mid-30s both mornings.
Yeah, something to look forward to.
Yeah, take advantage of it, because by the weekend, I think we'll see some more rain showers.
Don't tell us that.
I won't.
All right, thanks, Joseph.